Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can delete your Monopoly Go account. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, let's launch our Monopoly Go application, and once we are in the game, I will show you that how you can delete your account. So let's wait for the game to load, and then I will show you that how you will be able to permanently delete your Monopoly Go account. So guys, here you can see that I am in Monopoly Go right now. So what you will have to do is just click on these burger menu on the top right corner. So as you can see that I have clicked that. Now you will see a settings button in the bottom. So click on this settings button and here you will see some options. So before proceeding, I just want to make sure that your game is up to date. So here as you can see in the bottom, there is written version 1.11.5. So this is the latest version available on the creation of this video. So make sure that your game is up to date before deleting your account. Here you can see there is an account deletion button. So now click on the account deletion button. And here you can see that it shows you an article which says if you wish to remove this app from your device, please follow these simple steps to uninstall it. Open the Google Play Store app. At the top right corner, click on profile icon, tap manage apps and devices. Select the name of the app that you do like to delete and tap uninstall. But if you don't want to uninstall the app and instead delete your account, scroll down and you will see a delete my account button. So click on delete my account. Now it will ask you to enter your name and email, and once you have entered that, just click the next button and your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how simple it was to delete Monopoly Go account permanently. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.